Hey, today we're going to play the Sharper Image AR Blaster game. This is a virtual reality game. This one's called Fruit Ninja. Shoot the fruit floating around. Okay, we've got our Bluetooth on, so hit the button there and it'll load the game. It's loading. We have to hit that AR gun button up there on the top left, right there. Now we can go find the game. There's that. Let's see. Right there, Fruit Ninja. There we go, loading the game. Now you just move it around till you find the fruit floating around. It's awful hard to keep that camera on there. Shoot that lemon, yeah. Red apple there. I don't know what that was. A black balloon. There's a lemon. Well, there's a lemon. Boom. Black balloon or something. There's a... I guess that was a lemon. Watermelon. Yeah. Another watermelon. Oops, run out of time. 60 points. Hit the little arrows there at the bottom, it starts over. Now we're going again. Boom, hit that apple. Lemon. Another one. Watermelon. Lemon. You just keep turning and moving and up and down till you find some fruit floating. By the way, you're looking at my kitchen. Hope it's clean. Boom. Watermelon. There's a watermelon. Watermelon, yeah. Up, time again. Scored 110 points that time. Let's do it again. 2, 1. Here we go. Boom, shot that watermelon. Apple, melon. Not sure what that is. Looks like a bomb. That watermelon, another watermelon. Lemon, apple, lemon, looks like a bunch of balloons in that thing, didn't it? There's watermelon. Wow. Apple, out of time again. Hit that arrow up in the left corner there. You ready to quit the game? Yes, we're going to go back to the lobby of the game. You can load another game or you can go back to your phone, whichever you want to do. Lots of fun and lots of games here. This is a free app and it was only $10 for the gun. I think we're going to go back to the phone. Alright, we'll see you next time. Lots of fun here.